Hello all, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I am Lish the Baker, and on today's episode, we are making Jell-O cutout cookies. If you have never heard of Jell-O cutout cookies, you are not alone. Essentially what you do is you take a classic almond sugar cookie recipe and you substitute some of the sugar for Jell-O. The Jell-O acts as a flavoring agent and it also works like food coloring. This recipe is great for spring because of all the pretty colors. It's also fantastic for Easter if you have any Easter themed cutouts. For my cookies, I used an owl cookie cutter because I love owls. I also used a whale that if you turn it upside down sort of looks like a really chubby bunny, and also the sweets from a card, like a heart and a diamond, things like that, because I thought they were fun. Really, you can use any cookie cutter that you'd like, making it very easily customizable for any season. Without further ado, let's get into the baking. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And leave me a comment down below if you decide to make these cookies. What cookie cutter did you use? Until next time, keep it delicious.